The assembly is finished. Now we have to code it. And to code it, we're going to use a software that's called Arduino. Therefore, we're going to the internet and search engine and looking for Arduino. And we're going to that one, arduino.cc, software. And you can download the one you need, Windows, Linux, Mac. If you're not sure how it works, just go to YouTube and check it out. But I already have it, so I'm just going to start it. So this is how it looks. Also the files you need you will find in the package that you downloaded from links-workshop.com. If you open it, code, there are two files, Blender example and a template. First of all, we're going to open the template, open, so download, package, code, and we're going to use template first. We can close that one. So next thing we have to do is connect our CAD to the PC. But first, to check here, if you go to tools, you can see port, there is nothing connected. And after we connected the CAD to the PC, you can see here port. Now that is our connection. Also see here Arduino Leonardo. You also have to choose here board. It can be something different, but you have to choose the one that shows here Arduino Leonardo and here Arduino Leonardo. So now it's all connected. You just have to upload the code. And it's done. So to check it, we're going to create a empty document, open it, and here we go. It's working. Also, there's a second way to check it. If you go to Tools and you open the serial monitor, it shows here every button. So there are outputs and input pins, and depending on which button you push, let's open the PDF, go back. So you can see that here. So the red ones are the inputs and the blue ones are the outputs. Serial monitor. Zack. So if I push index finger 1, it shows here index finger 1. Oh, besides, also I have to tell you, there's a matrix. So how the buttons are called, it's here. And if you look at this, so this one, pinky 1, pinky 2, pinky 3, ring finger 1, middle finger, index finger, thumb finger, thumb, 1 1, 1 2, 2 1, 2 3, 3 1. So that's all the buttons. It's just easier to know what's going to happen actually. So now is everything working. We also can upload the Blender example. Open. Go back. Code. Blender. Open. We can close that one. And upload. So now it's the code uploaded to Arduino, to the microboard. And if you open Blender, so, and index finger 1 is G to move the object, index finger 2 is to scale, thumb 2 1 is go into object edit mode and move, and thumb 3-1 is to snap. So it's basically holding control. So now let's go back to the code and see what's actually happening. So first of all, we're declaring here everything we need. Then we're setting it up. That's the constant loop that's running and looking for which keys are pressed. And then we have two sub-programs. One is press key and another one is release key. So every time we push a key or combination of keys, we also have to release it. And you can see it here up in the void loop. That's where it's happening. So if it checks if the signal is onto it, so if one button is pushed, it goes to press a key, and if it's not pushed, it's going to release it. So if you program it, you have to do it twice. So let's say we go to case 1, which is index finger 1, and we want to push G. An example for Blender, it's to move, or it can be whatever you want to have it. So here we go, case 1, index finger, keyboard press G. And then we also have to go to another sub program, release key, case 1, index finger 1, and we have to release G as well. And if we have something like, let's say pinky 3 is Control S to save the file, that's how it goes. You have to make 2 lines, keyboard press Control and keyboard press S, and also down pinky 3 you have to release both keys. Oh, wrong one. But you also have to bear in mind that keys like Shift or Control, you have to check it so it's not used in another shortcut, for example holding. You don't want to release Control button while you're holding it, so you have kind of to check it, and that's what's going to happening here. So before we release it, we check it. So that just happened. That's the spot where the short key for just Control is on this one. Also, if you have any questions, you can just go to links, forum. You go to links-workshop.com forum, and there you can find a Telegram group chat or Signal, or just here. Put your question in the forum. So yeah, that's about it, I guess. So if you have any questions, just, oh, before I forget, there's also a link if you need any buttons, like that's what you have to put in the code. So if you want to push some special keys besides letters or numbers, here you can find all the Control, Shift, Alt, GUI, whatever that is, Alt, and then the function keys as well. Yeah, that's it.